you doing, guys? Corey here with FLG Lacrosse. Today I'm going to be talking about a really good stick work drill that we like to call Diamond Breakout. I'll talk about how the drill is set up, how the drill works, and then I'm going to go through the purpose and the objectives of the drill. So let's talk a little bit about why we do this drill to start. So we're going to work on catching and then turning to the outside, moving the ball. A really good thing about this drill, we also teach how to catch and throw on the move while our feet are moving, and we're usually moving in different directions, which is really good too. So we're eliminating catching and throwing while standing flat-footed, which is a wallaby in our program, something that we don't want our players doing. We're going to talk about communication. So if you're open, what to say. We're going to talk about when to say it, and we're going to talk about the importance of making eye contact when you want to get the ball from your teammate. We're also going to talk about getting the ball around the outside, so especially when the ball goes from defense to offense, or if you're just trying to get the ball around settled on offense, how to do it successfully while also protecting your stick. So stick protection is really big in this drill. The last thing, this drill is a great way to work on not just catching the ball to the outside, but work on catching the ball with the stick over your shoulder, working on different passing variations such as shovel passes and things along those lines. All right, so here's how the drill is set up. We have basically 4 lines. The lines go to the inside. So basically the 4 players that got to be ready are the ones that are on the front of the line and are adjacent to one another. Balls should be with the coaches on the outside. You can also use goaltenders or maybe players that are injured at practice to the outside of the drill. So we're going to start with one player breaking out. So I'm going to use this player on the bottom here, breaking out to space, calling one more. Okay? One more is the term that we use when we are open, all right, in the middle of the field or near the goal. Coach is going to outlet the ball. So let's start right now. Let's say we're working on catching righty over the shoulder, okay? We're going to move the ball to start also, all right, counterclockwise since we're catching righty. All right, as soon as this player catches the ball and turns to space, all right, this player needs to then start to break out, make eye contact, and that is the time we like to communicate and yell one more. Next pass goes here, all right, again. Turns to space, keeping that stick in that same hand. Now it's time for this player to break out. We're going to work the ball all the way around counterclockwise, and then we are going to eventually redirect the ball. All right, we like to tell our players to follow your pass. All right, so if I go from catching the ball here to throwing here, I'm going to then go to the back of this line. If this player catches here, throws there, they're going to go to the back of this line. All right, working our way around in a circle, all right, starting in kind of that diamond shape. Right, so you reverse the ball, now we're obviously catching the ball with the stick in our left hand. So I mentioned earlier you can do different variations. You can catch with one hand, you can throw with another, all right? You can work on catching over the shoulder, all right, switching hands. You can even throw shovel passes. You can get creative in a lot of different ways, but for the most part, this is how our Diamond Breakout stick work drill works, and it's a really good one to work on a bunch of different things. All right, thank you, and we'll see you guys next time.